Meaning of humanize.
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 Humanize. The word humanize refers to the act of making something more humane or compassionate. This could involve adding elements that promote empathy, kindness, or understanding. Humanizing can occur in various contexts, such as in art, media, healthcare, or education. By humanizing a concept, product, or service, it can make it more relatable and accessible to individuals, allowing them to connect with it on a deeper level. In essence, humanizing is about creating a more empathetic and compassionate world that is grounded in the richness of human experience and emotion.